T.B.Photo X1.5 TFX, and welcome back to another video. Well, this time is going to be just a little bit of a teaser and a hint at what is up and coming on the channel. Since, well, we know all of us that the world is in the midst of the COVID-19 epidemic, and personally I had to work a 6-day work week this week, because of staff shortaging and the shortage of staff and the amount of examination acquired or inquired about being done. For you guys who don't know, my daytime job is that I'm a registered nurse with a specialty in radiology. So I'm working at the radiology ward, so I am kind of smack dab in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, so to speak. But all in all, one does what one tries. So anyway, I thought we will just do a little bit of a overview of what's going to be up and coming here. First of all, at work I managed to get a little bit of a, this is a little bit of a hint, I needed to get the approval from 4 different people to do a little bit of a project that might be going through, might not. It's only time will tell. We are going to go with the so-called GSG method. In Swedish, GSG is the shortening for Gårde så Gårde, which basically roughly translates to if it works, it works, or something like that. Or rather, if it pulls through, it will pull through. But anyway, a little bit of a book review here. Ingmar Holmåsen, for plant photography. This is a great book that is about how to photograph plants in nature and so on, and how you can photograph the same subject at different times of the year, and different techniques on how to use filters, flash, different lenses, different techniques. Really great book for my Swedish readers, and maybe if there is an international version of it. I basically bought this for $3, 30 Swedish kroner at a, what was it? Yeah, the Ants, a thrift store. But anyway, also as you can see here on the table, we have the medical Nikon 200mm f5.6, the up to 3 times magnification macro lens with built-in ring flash. And this little new acquisition here, I thought I would do a little bit of a project with, plant-based photography when we go from basically a 50mm equivalent, which is basically a normal lens, and then go more and more in depth on different types of plant life until we get to the 3 times magnification of the medical Nikon, and then we go over to microscopy. If you want a great a YouTube channel about microscopy, I will put a link to it in the description. It's Microbehunter, a really great guy who actually talked to us a lot about getting a first microscope and so on. I didn't really adhere to his advice, unfortunately, on this one, but because this is the Bresser Biolox NV. It's a German manufacturer of optics, Bresser. They make telescopes, they make microscopes, magnifying loops and so on. This one is kind of a beginner's microscope. I chose this, and I'm gonna do more of a review of this entire kit in a future episode probably. But what I managed to get with it is that it is decent quality and so on, but it comes also with a digital ocular, as it's put, and that makes it so that I can actually take video and still images in TIFF form for everything I'm microscoping. So that's a little bit of a good point. It also has 2 light sources, one top and one bottom, and a little bit of other goodies. And my only complaint thus far is that the digital ocular that is supplied with it is not a complete full HD. It's a semi HD somewhere, but I know there are third-party digital oculars for this model that is full HD, so that might be something in the future, but this is basically a little bit of an experimental phase which I thought I would try out now, and I've already laid out the details of that little project. And also for you eagle-eyed viewers, I did a little bit of a sneak peek here on a new acquisition. Yes, another one, yeah, this is something that I'm gonna use in a future video as well, and I thought I will just tease at it for now. For you eagle-eyed viewers who see the backside of it might, well, we're gonna do it like this. Put it in the comment section what do you believe that this here might be. But yeah, a bit of coffee here early in the morning. I think this will be all for me for now, and as always, please adhere to your local guidelines and so on to keep yourself healthy wherever and whoever you are. And yeah, I think that will be all for me for now. So take care, and best of luck to all of you best of all to you during this pandemic. And I'll hopefully see you live and well in the next video. So as always, this is Tobias Bergström from T.B.Photo X1.5 to FX. I'd like to see you guys in the next video. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So see you in the next one. So take it from now on. Bye.